Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sharing a journal with you today. This is a softback journal, the usual one that I enjoy doing and that I enjoy using. It measures approximately 8 3/4 by 5 3/4, has 84 pages if you count the fronts and backs. It's a single signature. See, it's fairly chunky here. Got some charms on the edge. And I've just got a ball pin through the cover here with some ribbons on and lace, chiffon ribbon. I have put a bit of turquoise in with it. I like the contrast, but if you don't like that, it's just tied on. You can take that off. The colours in this are mainly pink, brown and turquoise, a bit of green, and I'm including a pretty boho bead in with this one. Can see that. Okay, so I'm just going to take you quickly through it. I've just tied this around this time. Okay, so this cute little bird I've just cut down and mounted up on the front there, and then inside we've got some fabric pocket with some chiffon ribbon. The pages from the kit I've edged with some paper lace. You could actually use these for little tucks if you wanted to. You will slot in thin pieces of paper, but I haven't put anything in those. Tea-dyed paper, it's various pockets, and a couple of found quotes. I've used Prima, is it the Lavender collection for this one? So this is a journal card that I've also embossed, and it's mounted onto tea-dyed paper. Ribbon on that one. This is from an old encyclopedia. We've got some page tabs. This is a lace one with a charm. This is from the kits, obviously. This is from an old typewriting book. Got a little collage up here in a top corner pocket. And this is an old. This is from an old gardening book. And that's really old aged paper, which you can use in your own journals if you'd like to. This is where the bluey turquoise comes in. These are from the kit, and there's a little bit more of that chiffon ribbon there. Some vintage atlas page. This is a journal card that I've made from an Observer book. Journal card, not journal page. I've included some old tea cards or cigarette cards. This is a collage tag that I've put together. You may have seen that one before. I made that a while ago. This is from a vintage bird book. We've got a paper tab there with a tree. This page, I didn't like the way I printed the back, so I've covered that with some inked paper, and I've just left that open, so that's like a large secret pocket. And on this side the journal card is mounted onto, it's from an antique or a vintage Alice book, and that's an illustration from that. I liked the way the colours went together. This is one of my napkin decoupage alterations tags. I've used some of the ruffle up there. Another of those cute birds from the Summer Prelude kit. This I've printed onto cream paper, and it does show through. I don't mind that, but if you don't like that, then this is not for you. This is a glassine bag that I've collaged. This I've made into a tag. It's from the kit. And I've popped a fairy in behind there. Another of those vintage Alice illustrations. This is a pocket with an old postcard and a library card. Slot in there, and I've fussy cut the bird out just to decorate that. This little bit of ruffle is stapled onto this library card. I've used some more washi tape there. It's a little journal card from the kit. Fabric tag. This is the cover fabric. This page has got a toning ruffle. It's made out of chiffon silk. This tag is made from the Prima paper. This is a doily, die-cut doily, and some more of that embossed lavender paper. And there's just a couple of book pages either side of that. It's a paper tab made from old ledger, little bird on it. And this is an altered envelope, which I have glued in on the other side. You'll see that in a second. There's some bits of ephemera in here. There's more embossing. And on this side I've just tucked a couple of the final bits of ephemera from the kit under there. And that's the back page. So thank you, Debbie, for this kit. I purchased it quite a long time ago, but I haven't used it until recently, and I really, really like the quirky images on it, and I think this fabric enhances it beautifully. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye bye.